This video is sponsored by ZVEPOW. Battery storage just became the fastest growing power technology on Earth. And the numbers are absolutely staggering. In 2025, the world installed 112 gigawatts of new battery storage capacity. That is a 48% increase over 2024. And it means installed capacity is now 11 times higher than just 4 years ago. Bloomberg BNEF put it perfectly. Quote, "It only took 4 years for energy storage to increase annual additions to more than 100 gigawatts from 10. Solar took 8 years to do that. Wind took 15. Storage is scaling faster than any power technology in history." The driver? 1. Chemistry. Lithium-ion phosphate, or LFP. 5 years ago, LFP was below 50% of stationary storage deployments. In 2025, it hit 90%. Safer, cheaper, and built for frequent cycling. LFP is the undisputed king of grid storage. And the cost is what makes this possible. LFP battery pack prices in China have fallen below $60 per kilowatt-hour. In Western markets, tariffs push that to around 85 to 110. But even there, storage is now cheaper than gas peaker plants on a levelized cost basis. China led the charge with roughly 60% of global additions. 167 gigawatt-hours in 2025 alone. They are expected to add over 200 more this year. The United States installed 57 gigawatt-hours, with 70 projected for 2026. Europe added 25. And the Middle East? Almost 8 gigawatt-hours in 2025. That number is set to more than double. In the US alone, 24. 3 gigawatts of new battery storage is planned for 2026. Texas dominates with 53% of new capacity. California and Arizona follow. The EIA says this is the largest single-year battery build-out on record. And it nearly doubles 2025's additions. And Tesla is cashing in. Their energy storage division deployed 46.7 gigawatt-hours in 2025. Up 49% year-over-year. Energy revenue hit $12.8 billion. Elon Musk says storage will have very high growth for as far into the future as they can imagine. Three forces are converging. First, renewable integration. Solar and wind are intermittent, and batteries smooth the curve. Second, surging electricity demand. AI data centers are becoming anchor tenants for storage projects. And third, grid reliability. Utilities are deploying storage to prevent blackouts during extreme weather. Nearly 80% of all new battery capacity in 2025 was utility scale. But here's the shift. Durations are lengthening. Most projects now target 4 hours or more, up from the 2-hour standard just a few years ago. Longer durations mean storage is becoming true baseload replacement. The numbers get even bigger when you look at market value. In 2026, the global battery energy storage market is estimated at $82 to $132 billion depending on the analyst. By 2036, cumulative capacity is projected to reach 2,867 gigawatts. 10 times today's level. This is a trillion-dollar industry in the making. As Bloomberg BNEF said, this record underscores growing market momentum and increased industry maturity. We've entered the 100 gigawatt era of energy storage. And it's not slowing down. So what does this mean? Battery storage has officially outbuilt natural gas at its peak. It is the fastest scaling power technology in history. And every region on Earth is racing to install more. For utilities, for investors, for the grid. This changes everything. This video was sponsored by ZVEPOW. From residential storage to utility-scale BESS, ZVEPOW manufactures the batteries powering this revolution. Check them out at zvepow.com.